Hey guys, came out to see if eclipse fishing is any good and got myself my personal best largemouth bass. They just keep getting bigger and bigger as the summer goes on. Look at this beauty, 5-6 pounds. Gonna get her rinsed off and put back in this water. Gonna name her we'll name her Susan. Susan sounds right. Let's give her a little rinse. Hopefully she doesn't get away from me. Hello, beautiful. You are gorgeous. Texas rig, yum dinger, black, blue specks. Love letting these things go. Oh, here we go. Let's watch her get her life back. And off she goes. Beautiful. Couldn't ask for a better day.